If you want to maintain your privacy while using DAZN, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon unnamed in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Privacy Settings. Click on it to access the privacy options available. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, locate the option for online status or show online status. Toggle this setting to off to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to ensure your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on DAZN and enjoy your viewing experience with added privacy.